So guys, let me walk you through on how to withdraw on this OKT trading platform. I made a previous video where I showed how to trade, how to use the signals on their TG channel to trade every day and earn income. As a matter of fact, they have 1 minute signal channel, they have 5 minutes, they have 1 hour. When you join their signal channel, you can start earning money every day and you can withdraw at any time. They also have compensation plan for any losses, any trading losses. You have to contact their customer support for compensation reward. So now I'll be doing a live withdrawal on this platform, and the good part of this is you can withdraw via Naira or USDT. So if you're in Nigeria, you can deposit in Naira or you can deposit in USDT. If you deposit in Naira, they'll convert it for you in USDT for you to trade. And if you want to withdraw as well, you can either withdraw USDT or withdraw Naira. I'll be showing a live Naira withdrawal. If you are in any part of the world, United States, UK, Canada, any country at all, you can use the crypto deposit option and you can follow up with the signals to start trading. So if you have not watched the previous video on how to use their signals, I'll be dropping the link in the description box of this video so you can watch it on how to use their signal to start trading. So if you are just getting started, you want to deposit, it's recommended that you click on this gift box to earn a reward for your deposit first. Like you can get, they are doing deposit reward, like a bonus, that when you deposit a certain amount, you get a few dollars for deposit bonus. So if you click on this gift box, you can see only in BTC 28, only in Ethereum. So I want to, let's assume, get a rebate on your first deposit of the day up to 10%. So if I click on this one, if I want to deposit any amount, maybe like $10, $100, any amount whatsoever, you see select a trial. You see this one, basic challenge, first deposit not greater than or equals to $10. If I want to deposit within this range, then I'll click on this claim. You see success, waiting deposit. So the moment I deposit to this platform, I automatically get 2% deposit bonus of whatever I'm depositing above $10. This 10U means $10. So whatever I'm going to be depositing above $10, from $10 and above, I get 2%. Yeah, if I have click on this $100 deposit bonus, then I get 4% the moment I deposit $100 and above. So the moment you are trying to deposit for the first time in a day, this is everyday bonus. Any day, any day, anytime. It's everyday bonus. So if you are depositing for the first time in a day, come here first, that gift box, to come claim a deposit reward. Click on this and click this, then claim any deposit reward based on the amount you want to deposit, so that you can get a bonus for depositing your money and you can have enough deposits, enough funds to trade with. That aside, you can also, let me show you guys the profit and loss part of this trading. You can request compensation, and you can also get, okay, let's come here. When you click on this human icon here, you click on this profit slash loss reports, click on it. From this profit slash loss reports, you see profits, total profits, net something. So if you take any trade and you lose consecutively, like it was a loss, if you use their signal, you must use their signal for you to get a compensation. So if you take any trade and you miss some trade and you need a compensation, they have their compensation plan. Let me read it out. So from their compensation, they give you part of your deposit back. In case you are wondering how are they doing it, well, it is what it is. And what I can tell you is that this platform is still very new. This is their first month of coming online. The platform started this month of March. So you are still very early. Like you are still very early here. 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, you know how much you would have earned if you are trading every day using their signals. They have 1 minute signals, they have 1 hour, they have 50, they have 5 minutes. Check my previous video on how to use their signal. I made a previous video on this OKT trading, so you can follow up with the video on how to use their signal. So they launched this month of March, meaning you are still very early. It's not up to a month yet. So if you are interested, check the registration link in the pin post in the comment section or in the description box of this video. Sign up, make your deposit, and also claim the deposit bonus first before depositing, and proceed to start using the signal, maybe every 1 hour, every 5 minutes, depending on your availability, and start trading. So for profits or loss compensation, they say regarding the compensation, it is divided into 3 levels. USDT $10 to $40, you get 10% compensation in US dollars. Meaning that if you lose between $10 to $49, they give you 10% of that within $10 to $49. That's the compensation plan. If you lose between $50 to $499, you get 15% compensation plan. If you lose 500 USDT and above, 20% by the end of the day. So that's how their compensation plan. You have to contact their customer support. They said, however, this can only be settled once per day. Meaning that after the end of the day and you lose, just reach out to them. Like 12 a.m. Singapore time. We have to Google what is 12 a.m. Singapore time in your local time. Depending on the country you are joining from, calculate 12 a.m. Singapore time in your local time. So you get the time you have to chat the customer support for you to get a compensation if there is any loss. But as far as I'm concerned, there has not been a drastic loss like that. That's the truth. There has not been a consistent loss like that. If you are following their signal, I'm just being honest. I'm not trying to sweet tongue. No, I'm just being honest. If you are following their signal, there's not been a consistent loss since I've been following this. There's not been a consistent loss at that. So, but however, this is trading, and trading, you understand how it works. So that's the reason for the compensation plan. The compensation plan is not to refund all your money, but to give you some part of this as compensation. Like, okay, we are sorry, we gave you the signal, but it doesn't work. So that's the compensation plan. So they have a customer support you have to contact. So I might also drop the customer support contacts in the description box of this video. That's the person to contact for your loss. 12 a.m. Singapore time. That's when they disburse for any losses, compensation for any losses. So you take note of the time so that you can reach out to their customer support and you can do the needful if you have anything regarding that. So that's it. That's how the compensation works. So now let me go to the withdrawal part. I'll come to this human icon here. You can see deposits. If I want to deposit crypto, the option is there. If I want to deposit USD Naira, I will just switch to legal tender. Then if you are depositing Naira, once you click on legal tender, click on this NGN, then select any amount you want to deposit here. Minimum is 5,000 Naira, as you can see. So you see that exchange rate 1,382 Naira to 1 USDT. So if you select 10,000 Naira, if I click on submit, they'll give me the Naira account to deposit, and I can proceed to make my deposit from there. So if I want to withdraw too, if you are withdrawing for the first time, you need to add your bank account or your USDT account. I showed that in my previous video. You just click on this legal tender. I want to withdraw by Naira. Then I'll select this one, withdrawal amount. This $16.75 is what 23,000 Naira. So I will just enter. Let's assume I want to do 20,000 Naira. So I already add my account details. I already added my account details. What I need to do is to select bank. Okay, I'll just add United. So here's the bank. Then I can now scroll down and submit. They said for convenience, after topping up, the system will automatically convert your balance to USDT based on the real-time exchange rate. So this is the current exchange rate. Transaction fee 1,000 naira. Then I will receive 19,000 naira. Then what I need is to verify and click on submit. That's if I want to use the naira deposit option. If I want to use the naira deposit option, so because I'm using PC, I can't put this on the mobile mode. I should see submit button here. Yep. So they will charge 1,000 naira for transaction fee. Then I'll click on submit, and that's it. Then I will receive this $19. Sorry, 19,000 naira to my bank account. But I'll be using crypto for withdrawal actually, because I don't want to keep naira for now. So I will go ahead and withdraw in crypto and send the screenshots on my Telegram channel. So if you are not on my Telegram channel, do well to join my Telegram community so you don't miss out when I submit, when I send in the screenshot, so you can see that how the withdrawal works. So if you are also withdrawing via USDT, what you need to do is I already added my USDT to 20. I'll select one, maybe $16. They charge $1 transaction minimum withdrawal is 30 till. Okay, I'll select USDT. So here is it. So $1 withdrawal fee using USDT TLC20. Minimum withdrawal is $5. So this is it. Then I'll pay $1 withdrawal fee. Then I'll click on submit. So I'll be withdrawing this and send the screenshot to the to my Telegram group, and you can follow up on that. I still want to trade a few before we trying to withdraw everything actually. So that's it. So that's how you can request for the compensation. You can do the withdrawal and the deposits in USDT or in naira, and whichever or wherever you are watching from. Just enter your bank details and select which option you want to use to start withdrawing from. So you can check out their certification, and you can also download the app here. If you scroll down this place, so if you click on here, you can see app download, and you can download either from the official website or download the APK. So you can download the app from here. That's for the app downloading. So I click on here. Let's see. I want to show you guys the certification again. They have some certification, but as I said earlier, that's not the reason why we are here. The reason why we are here is that they are still early, and you can take advantage of the opportunity that you have now. So that's it. That's why we are here. Forget about certification or no certification. The truth is, these are the signals. These are the signals. This is how you can see. This is 1 minute signal because I've been using 1 minute. That's it. I don't have my Telegram on this PC, so I'll have to use a mobile to continue trading. So these are the tags for beginners, for anyone that wants to deposit. So guys, basically this is all about this OKT trading, how to withdraw, how to deposit, how to request for loss compensation, and that's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.